computer.
This meeting is being recorded. We've just had the most awesome time playing a quiz. We've got a new champion, Dylan not here to defend his title, but Max is the new reigning Kahoot champion. Hello, Max, how are you?
Good.
Good, mate. Okay, and we've just had Jacob. It said, how do you make a Kahoot? So we thought, well, hang on, let's have a look. First of all, this is what we can see on the screen. We can see that in this round that we just played, there were some difficult questions. There were 3 of them. And we can see here, actually, that only 11% of people got this one right. It was, the house has a chimney. How many funnels does the chimney have? Pretty tricky question there. And of course, this one, Sam says school, and he said school sucks, but only, again, 11% has got that right. And as the video finishes, we see a light on the right. How many windows, or a house on the right rather, how many windows does it appear to have? 22% got that correct. But Jacob, to answer your question, which was how do you make a Kahoot? All we do, let me just try and make it so it's the right size. I'll go to iRock Weekly. No, I don't. Where'd you go? I need to get out of here. Play again. No, I don't want to play again. View full report. Let's have a look. This will no doubt take us to somewhere else.
I think you needed to click back. I'm not sure.
Or maybe on this one. Here we go. Yeah, actually, this is cool. So you can see this now. This is a selection of the quiz questions we've got. But if we actually go back to, let's go back to Kahoot. And we can see here, my Kahoots. See all of them. There's 16 of them that we've done. And they are all there. Half-term Mario, trains and train state, all that sort of stuff. But if we go to create, what we would do is it will say create, what would you want to create? Just go new Kahoot, which is really cool. And let's just start typing your question. Okay, so I'm going to say, what can we...
What type of pizza did we talk about?
Pizza.
Pineapple,
did we
kiwi.
talk about? Okay,
Pineapple.
and of course at this point,
Pineapple.
so
Pineapple, sweet
pineapple.
kiwi.
So pineapple, or what we could, I would then just randomly think, I don't know,
Kiwi.
pine trees,
Kiwi.
kiwi, yeah, all right.
Sweet
Can we have another? Potato. Olives, okay. And then, of course, pineapple is the correct answer. We select that as the correct answer. It actually gives us some suggestions, you know, do we want an image in there for olives? But no, we don't. What I've done, standard, I go over here, folks, and it says time limit. I always change that to 30 because sometimes it, you know, takes...
Why not 4 minutes?
That's an interesting one, isn't it? 4 minutes. So what pizza did we talk about? Well, pineapple, all good there. Add a question. And so now we could add any type of question. We tend to keep it with these 2 options up here, quiz or true or false. Nothing wrong with a true or false. Let's get in there.
True. To puzzle ones and stuff.
Yeah, you could do that.
How did you get them? Like, did you need to make an account and join back there?
Yeah, you need to make a free account, and you don't have to sign up because we're not dealing with like hundreds of people.
I have a good question. That might be a good to enforce, but it's easily obvious. The moon is made of chocolate.
Cheese.
Is it made of? Made from?
Made from.
And then with that one, I'd say false. Go over here again. If we have a look, time limit 30 seconds, and then back out, and then add questions. So that's how we will do that. We create as many questions. This week we had 22 questions, which is really cool. And then after that, if you can still see, what we will do is we'll just go up here. Of course, we'd have a few more. We go done, and that's going to ask what we should call it. So I'm going to call it
food.
All right, we'll call it food. Food. There you go. Foof. Validating Kahoot, and it does all of that lovely stuff for you. And then it will say, what do you want to do? Test it, play now. And if we went to play now, click on there. We'll play as the host. And then after that, you should see eventually the screen loads and your Kahoot is now loading. We would go to classic, and then it will give you loading game pin. So this is the point where everybody goes, what's the game pin? What's the game pin? I'm sitting here going, oh, I don't know. But that's what the game pin would be. All right?
6764462.
Yeah. Get in there, get in there.
Join.
No.
If you, well, you can, do you know what? If you want to join, you can see what it looks like on the screen when it comes up. Yeah. So if you want to, this is just to make sure it works, I guess. That's all right, though.
6764462.
676.
Gibbs. Awesome.
Thank you.
Great. And there you go. You can see a few of you have joined. My phone has timed out, so unfortunately it's not letting me join. But yeah, M is there. And so there you go, folks. That's how to create a Kahoot. It's totally free. You don't need to pay for an account. And you can make, as far as I can tell, as many quizzes as you want.
Hooray!
I might actually do
Right,
it
stop.
again.